Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator offline. Start by downloading the base game, offline content packs, and any required updates while online, then verify files in the game settings. Move installers to a local drive and create a backup. Set the launcher to offline mode and confirm your aircraft and scenery are available. Restart the sim with no network active to test offline functionality and performance. Switching to offline mode requires a few careful steps to avoid connection prompts and missing content. Open the launcher and select the offline option, then turn off auto updates and cloud sync. Ensure all mods and navigation databases are stored locally and referenced in the sim paths. Test a short flight to confirm ATC, weather presets, and custom liveries load correctly. Keep a manual backup of key files for quick restoration if needed. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful offline tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying easy so you can focus on flight plans, and it learns your home for smarter cleanups. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab one if it appeals to you. Now let's get back to the video. If the simulator behaves strangely offline, start with simple checks to save time and frustration. Verify DLC and community files reside in the local packages folder and delete any corrupted temporary caches. Run the launcher repair tool to replace missing files. Test without community mods to isolate issues, then add mods back one at a time. If persistent errors appear, reinstall the offline content, pack and retest on a short local flight to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.